Yeah, you can see na the whole the mountain. Oh, oh guys, we here. So we've been walking around. Yeah, maglulubat na pala ako. Hi, skinny one. Very skinny she is. Suwe gala. Ano? Ay, walang stick. Come on in. It's a beautiful day for walk. It's a beautiful day for walk. Should we hike over there, Labo? Do you next time? Will you hike over there? Next time. Wait, it's a nice day for the beach now, no? Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Hello, the two of you. Selfie? Selfie? Have a look. Oh, come on in. Let's go. Napagod na rin siya. Napagod na siya kakalaro. Naglalaro siya kanina ng stick. So napagod na po siya. Nakailang beses siya ng laro. So anyway, nag-live ako. Wait, no more stick, come on. No more stick, okay? Let's go home. Bye. Kaya mo, meron na naman siyang dalang stick. Oh my God, he's so bloody nuts for the stick. Look at her. Come on, give it to me. Let's try. Oh, look at her. Oh, see? He's bloody nuts. Oh. Oh. Come on in. Yan na. You beautiful. Ow! Naku, masugat yung ipin nito. Saglit lang. Come on in. Come on, cause they're waiting. Aray. Ate. See, shout out to Jared. Hi. Jared, hi. So, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Grabe. Ito yung araw na gusto ko sa Pilipinas. Mainit. Si Jared, shout out to you. Nag-aantay naman siya sa akin. Oh. Nag-aantay po siya sa akin. Yan. Kanina, yung stick, inano ko sa ilog, nag-swimming din siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Uy. Tingnan mo. Ayun na sa baba. Ayaw na mag-swimming. Come on in! Hoy! Come on, we go home na anyway. Come on in! Okay lang, masaya ang buhay. Kahit mainit po. Masaya pong buhay. Chill lang ako. Habang mag-vlog. So, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Grabe. Ito yung na-miss ko sa Pilipinas, guys. Yung mainit. Tapos makapag-t-shirt lang. Makapag-t-shirt lang ako. O, makapag-t-shirt lang ako, guys. O, diba? Nag-t-shirt tayo. Hi, people! Hi, everybody! So, anyway, nag-walking kami today. Kasi it's really nice day. So, Gary, shout out to you. So, meron tayong 3 asong kasama. Pero yung aso na yan, hindi po amin yan. Usually, aso po yan ng kapatid ng asawa ko. Tapos yung isa, pamangkin ng boyfriend ng pamangkin yung asawa ko. Yung magandang maliit. So yung aso, hindi po talaga yan aso namin. Kumbaga ni walking nga po. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Salamat guys. Salamat. So anyway, yan siya oh. Ito kanina, tinapuran ko siya ng stick sa ilog. Talaga naman sinwimming niya eh. Yeah. Yeah.
It's all that plastic stuff. Over there, see that? Look, see
Ah,
that?
yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's the orange one.
Netting stuff, see it?
Yeah,
The orange plastic netting, see it?
yeah.
They put that around like with dig holes, making,
Yeah.
making a new road.
Making
there.
garden, something like that.
No, making any building work. They put that around it and stop people going to it.
All right.
Falling in the hole, like they put that around it. Well,
Okay.
all that's it in the river, see it?
Yeah, I know.
That's what they contend with, look, see? Stuff
Yeah,
like-
they
stuff
go
like
to
that.
into the sea, to the bottom.
Well, no, it goes into the fucking river, man, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
now, they just wash down then.
Yeah,
That's on the side, isn't it?
yeah.
You see, that's the stuff we get caught in, see?
Uh-huh.
The we get caught in that, in fact, you know, can't
No.
go back, you know. And that stuff now will sink to the bottom of deep pool, look.
Yes.
But down there, remember,
Yeah.
that stuff is fucking full down there. You
Yeah.
see it?
Okay, shout out sa 6 people.
Just
Come on.
Plastics, it? Plastics.
Yeah, the
That's what
plastic.
they use to put around holes, they dig out holes and
Yeah.
dig out holes and drainage and
Yes.
whatever. They put that around it now to stop people falling down it, like.
Look at her. No more stick, baby.
That's what you got. That's what you got to contend with. The river, that shit. And fencing posts and wire.
What she's doing. Come on, sweetheart. Let's go home. Come on, ah. I no more stick, oy. Come on, Paps. What you doing? Hi, guys. So, nag-walking kami. Hindi ko alam kung malinaw yung camera natin, ha? Gusto niyo ba makita ang bundok? Yan po ang view natin dyan. Iikot ko lang saglit. Yang very slightly. So, galing na kami doon sa pinakadulo. So, yes, nandito tayo sa farming area to, guys. Usually dito maraming chef minsan. Ngayon wala sila, guys. Nasa kabilang side yung chef. Wala ngayon. So we'll come back to my live. So thank you everyone for turning in the live today. Just quick live again. Okay. Ihi daw yung asawa ko. So yes, hi. Pa-shout out po ma'am from Santi Nobileto. Hi, shout out to you. Nobilete, Yabo, shout out. Sam Gregs, shout out. Jared again, and then si Gabriel. Ano no? Gary, Andre. Ang haba ng pangalan nyo. Apat mang gyud. Si Gary, Andre Garcia, Biray, shout out. So anyway guys, okay lang naman ako guys. So wala lang ako magawa, kaya ako po nagla-live lang talaga. Kasi ito yung kaligayahan ko sa buhay. Kaligayahan ko lang po mag-vlog, mag-live, gala-gala. Green na green. Opo, green na green kasi countryside tayo eh. Tapos maganda yung araw ngayon. Kasi nasa kami sa lugar ng kapatid niya, kaya kasi pag nandito kami, yan kasi yung aso ng kapatid niya, ito yung tabaching na to oh. So, pero napakalambing nitong aso na to, yung gray. Ang tawag dito, what's the kind of breed of dogs she is? Breed, yeah. Puppy. Spring Spaniel, I don't know.
Cocker Spaniel, narrow head. Cocker Spaniel with a narrow blue roan it is.
Blue Roan. Blue Roan she is.
Spaniel.
Look at her. She's very sweet. We love her in a way. Kasi that one naman is very fabulous dog kasi basta guys, baliw yan sa stick eh. Yan oh, naglaro kami kanina. Malamig po ba dito? Medyo lang po kasi summer na ngayon. So, pag init po, hindi masyadong malamig. Pero pag walang araw, malamig po talaga. So, ngayon kasi maaraw, naka-t-shirt lang ako guys. So, at least, nakapag-t-shirt ako. Pero kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-t-shirt. Kasi malamig talaga, kasi walang araw. Pero pag ganitong araw nga, sabi ko, hindi siya malamig guys. Pakiramdam ko, summer din. Yeah, it is.
To top that field by top, so that's going for about 3 quarters of a mile.
Mm-hmm. Tingnan mo yung isa. Oh. So, thank you so much for everyone for turning in the live today. So, hope you like and enjoy it as well. Hello. Kita mo naman siya. Gusto na naman niya ng steak. No more steak, please. Come on in. Sige, iwanan kita dyan. Huh?
That's the very top where we walked.
Yeah.
That's going to be pushing 3 quarters of a mile.
Yeah. See, malayo yung nilakad namin, guys. Oh. Doon, hanggang doon sa dulo. Tapos nandito na tayo sa kabilang dulo. So, tingnan mo yung isa. Kita mo naman siya. Gustong-gusto niya talaga maglaro ng stick eh. Come on na, sweetheart. We go home. So, uwi na po kami. Eh, hindi pa kami uwi. Magtatambay kami sa ilog. Yeah. Southwest po ito. Southwest United Kingdom. So, kasi yung Southwest kasi po, countryside talaga yan. Pero maganda yung pagka-countryside niya. So, countryside, Southwest United Kingdom po ako na part. Neat area. Basta po, yun na po yun. Kung gusto nyo namang hanapin yung city dito, medyo malayo kami sa city. Usually, yung pinaka-city is Cardiff. Cardiff City and Swansea. Usually, hindi na kasi nagpupunta masyado sa city ngayon, di ba? Kasi delikado. So, nag-choice kaming mag-countryside parate. So, sa bridge na tayo. So, dito po kami, usually guys, doon kami magtatambay o sa baba. Doon. Tapos makipaglaro lang ako sa aso. So, di ba ang ganda dito? Naka-chill-chill. Wala masyadong nag-walking to this area la ba? Yeah, I do. Slyve, where is she? Slyve, where are you, babe? Nauna na yung aso. So, gusto ko lang po kayo itutour sa lakad ko. Lakad. I-share yung aking walking. Usually, I love walking. Uwi na ay. Kasi, di ba, pag nasa bahay ka, nakaka-bore yun naman talaga. So, mostly yung asawa ko, hindi yan pwedeng nasa loob ng bahay lang. Gusto niya sa labas din. So, pareho lang naman kami gala. Usually. So, shout out sa inyong lahat. Sa mga tao sa Pilipinas, shout out po mostly to my coaches and also to Empowers Communism members. Shout out sa inyo guys. And to my coaches, si Ibu, Amazo, shout out to you. And kahit wala sila dito, okay lang yan guys kasi busy naman sila. And then to my upline, shout out to you guys. So, mag-picnic kayo po. Usually, opo, nagpi-picnic kami minsan. Usually, parang picnic na yung ginagawa namin. Nag-walking tapos may baon, inumin, o di kaya pagkain. Usually kasi may baon ako. Mayroon akong baon na biskwit. Tapos yung dalawang aso, nakikisaw-saw sa biskwit ko, di ba? Maganda mag-vlog ka dyan. Usually po may vlog naman talaga ako sa YouTube. Meron akong YouTube channel. So doon ako nagdo-download ng video. Kailan lang natigil? Kailan lang kasi naitigil ko yung vlog ko kasi nga hindi kami masyadong nagsisilabas din kasi meron akong ginagawang priority sa buhay, yung business. So yun ang pinagkakabalahan ko ngayon. Ay, may tao pala. Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Ay. Hi. Hiya. Hiya. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. Hello.
No, gee.
They're playing anyway.
Stop it!
Oh, hey,
Like, see him off.
come on, Ann. We go.
Come here!
Uh,
Oh, he's not, he's just that.
they want to play now.
Like it all the time.
Ah,
Stop it! Lead!
come on, Ann. We go. We go. Come on, Ann. Come on, Ann.
Right.
Come on, Ann. Come on, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Aww.
You know. Oh, but stuff a cushion every day. So,
You come on, you go to the sea. I will stick. Come on in. Ay. Come on, sweetheart. Over there.
no.
Ah.
You take care, right?
Let's go to see you. Bye.
There's a bit of weather, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Oh, see fast, it's raining all day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Terrible rain. So, come on in.
Tara. Yeah, it's about time to enjoy it. The animals with us. Yan mo naman siya, oh. No more stick, sweetheart. Oh my God. She's bloody, ano. He's very nuts for the stick. My goodness. Sa ilog na kami, guys. Simple lang naman kasi akong tao. So, aray ko. What's that? Ay. Oo, masarap po maligo. Masarap po dito maligo pag tawag dito, malamig. Ay, mainit. Malamig po kasi yung tubig dito eh. Hindi pwede. Tingnan mo siya. My God. This bloody nuts for the stick, sweetheart, no?
Oh, no, we've got
Come on, sweetheart. We go to the water, babe. Mag-swimming talaga yun. Come on. Come on, Dick. How are you, Dick?
Let me see.
Don't see that. See there, nice. Oh, look at her. My God. Ay, nako, baby. No more. No more, ha? So, nandito na tayo sa ilog. So, tambay-tambay. Masarap po maligo. Oo, sana masarap siya maligo kung hindi lang siya. Agoy, lubat na ako, guys. Yeah, it's nice to picnic here, oh. Masarap dito maligo, guys. Pag hindi malamig ang tubig. Pero malamig po ang tubig dito, kaya hindi tayo pwede maligo. Kung sa Pilipinas lang, guys, why not? Hala, nag-swimming yung isa. Tingnan mo. Amo, nag-swimming si Papi. Naku, bloody. Hoy. Hoy. Oh, that's the view. Ah, you cannot sit down there, sweetheart, no? It's overflow. No. Hi. Yeah, you can sit down now if you want. There, oh, the big stone, sweetheart. You can sit down there. There, the center. There, you sit down there. If I play the dogs. Okay, sweetheart, let's play. Don't bark, please. Don't bark. Ay, bloody nuts. I love her. I love her. sweetheart. Live. Come on, live. Come on, live. Oh, good girl. Good boy and good girl talaga yun. Oh, come on. You like it? So ngayon nakipaglaro tayo sa aso, no? So ito yung trabaho ko ngayon. Tingnan mo naman yung dalawang yan, oh. He never stop. Ano? Yung isa walang pakialam mo, walang pakialam yung isang yun, oh. May sarili siyang mundo. Namitpit na siya. Come on, you give it to me. Come here. Namitpit na po siya. So, shout out sa ating wow. Hey, hey, hey. He never stop. He never stop. Come on, Pops. He does swim. He does swim. He does swimming, oh. Wala, talo ka, Dex. Talo ka, Dex. Wala ka talaga, Dex. Ang hina mo, Dex. Come on. Ano, Dex? Come on, Pops. Don't. Hi, shout out to you, brothers. MD Shawon, shout out. Look at her, the two of them. Good girl. So, yep, it's done. Love, are you okay there? So yes, hello everybody. So here we are. That's my husband over there. So at behind my back there, that's my husband there. So and then that's a puppy, the other one. And we are vlogging, guys. So it's a beautiful day today. We're out. So yes. So this is our place to chill out. Ano? Look at her. Oh no, no more stick, love. Come on, sweetheart, you cold already. It's so bloody freezing, are you? See? Malamig, tandaan pong malamig, nanginginig na po siya. So yes. Hi everybody. Hey. So the beautiful view over there, that's a highway there. Place awesome. Thank you, brothers, brother and sisters, thank you. No more. MD Sawan, thank you. All right then. Okay, say hi bye to you guys. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next live. Okay, thank you so much for everyone, for 7 people earlier, so shout out. And yeah, I will bye na, guys. So bye everyone, we'll see you next live. Okay, so thank you, brothers and sisters. I will see you on my live next time. That will be next time. Okay? So now, we're gonna play together because she want love stick and she's bloody. He's bloody freezing now. So I don't want to play again on that water because it's cold. It's too much for her. So look at her. He's bloody freezing na. So thank you so much everyone and see you on my next live. Bye!